Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of YouthAthleteOfTheYear.com. So it is basically an organization that funds the athletic youth. We are searching for exceptional young athlete who represents everything we love about sports. So they will give them the 25,000 scholarships based on their performance. Apart from that, they have a bold claim of that they have been connected with the four major organizations: the V Foundation, the Sports Illustrated, the Three Brands, and Why Not You Foundations. So these three are the well-renowned foundations. So this is a major green signal. But now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind these website. As you can see, there is a chance of winning a $25,000 to invest in the future, and they will have a championship experience. Like they can take home the Youth Athlete of the Year title as well. Every year the voting happens for the Youth Athlete of the Year seat. So they do have a lot of seats and meet up to line up the process. Apart from that, they have a really active social media platform. As you can see, their Instagram account has 42,000 followers, which is a major green signal, as this is something really high number of followers, and the quality of pictures is also really good, and they do have posting on daily basis. So they do hire the athletes from age 7 to 17. And now let's dive a little bit more deeper, and you can see, like on the Scheme Advisor website, they have a trust score of 71 out of 100, which is a slightly good score. But now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, the domain age is just 5 months from now. So this is a red flag, because this is something really we have to be cautious about, because it was registered recently and have made ties with the major organizations according to their claim. So these are basically the bold claims, and once I tried to search for it on the Reddit, most of the people were complaining that it is a scam, a completely scam. They didn't get any of the scholarship and all that. So in conclusion, I would say this organization could be alleged, but you should search for it and you should talk to someone who have already registered on this platform. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys want me to review any other product or platform, just do let me know in the comments below, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.